was trying to see if I could scare him. That wasn't very nice, was it, Mill? Wasn't very nice. Do you still have the hiccups, Avery, or did I scare you? The hiccups still with you? Let's see if she's still hiccuping. No. I think it worked. I don't think she has them anymore. Getting so big. Getting so big. Oh, there went your bow. Oops, sorry. There you go, buddy. You're busy today, Audrey. You're busy today. You're busy. You're busy today. I know, you're getting jealous, huh? Yes, Mill. Ainsley and Mama. No more hiccups.